Hey everyone, this is Navneet and you're watching Your DZINR. Here, basically today we are going to talk about the colors and its psychology. Now, right now we are having we are running on the playlist of Figma. So if you want to learn Figma, then do save that playlist to your YouTube and like make watch all of the videos which you want to learn, right? So basically we have started Figma from zero to advanced, which means you don't need to think about any of the lessons, any of the things. You will learn each and everything by yourself and yeah, with that playlist. Okay, so let's start the video and let's deep dive into the color psychology. Okay, so basically we are here color psychology. I have find out few resources for you guys where we are going to talk about the colors. Okay, so color simply means like it's also having an emotion, and every graphics and web page make just before it's there is a phase basically where you have to choose the colors as well for your graphics or for your websites. For example, if you are having something product or service related to health, then in that case what color would you like to use into that particular graphics or landing page or might be web design? Just comment me down in the comment section so that I can also know that what color you have chosen, right? So I'm giving you the 5 seconds. Just comment down. Hope everyone made the comment, and now let's go. So basically we have to choose green color over there. Green color basically shows the health, nature and all, right? So that's the reason we should definitely use green color over there, and that is something which makes an impact in the market, because people are having some perception and they are having something into their mind, like that's a hardwired thing, I can say, right? For example, if I'm giving you the example, then most of you are aware about this. Then wherever you see the sign of red color, that simply means you just need to stop, or it's just a warning for you, right? That is something which color psychology says, right? So let's talk about the colors. Basically we are going to cover 9 colors today, right? And the first color is blue color. Blue color simply means it shows few expressions, and those expressions are depth, stability, trust, confidence and calm. If you need to show any of them expression on your page, on your graphics, then you can definitely use these colors, right? matlab blue color, because blue color is something which shows such expressions. And if I'm talking about the red color, then red color simply means passion, energy, power, determination and immediacy. That simply means, for example, if I'm talking about a gym, right? So most of the gym you have seen, and their websites are in black color, and tailored to black color they are also using red color as a secondary color, right? Mostly we are using three types of colors basically we are using in web designing. That's known as like primary color, secondary color and a tertiary color, right? Primary color would be 60%, secondary color would be 30%, and tertiary color would be 10%, right? So this is how we are using the colors. So if I'm talking about that gym website, then what they are doing, they are using 60% of black color, right? And 30% of red color and 10% of white color. That is something which makes their website really elegant, and that definitely shows the power, energy and something else. And recently we are also working on a kickboxing project where we have chosen the same color for our project as well, right? So yeah, let's talk about the green color. Green color simply shows growth, calm, nature, balance and safety, right? Whenever you have seen any of the button on any web designing or website, most of the CTAs you will get in either red or either green, right? Green simply means there is a safety, right? You are not going to lose anything, right? It's just it like whenever we are using green color, that simply means we are going to show something, a big picture into their mind, and then we are saying them to click on that, right? But if we are using red color, then red color simply says that here you are going to miss out something, getting me? And just because of that, people are clicking on it, and we are trying to make a warning for them, right, with the help of red color, that you are going to lose this particular thing if you don't click on that now. Okay, so let's move on the yellow color. And yellow color simply stands for joy, attention, fresh, energy and optimism. These are the things which you can use on yoga niche basically, right? Because there is something which yoga is something which makes you fresh, energetic and optimize you, right? And the next thing is enthusiasm, success, warmth, creativity, excitement. For orange color, this is something which makes you like enthusiastic and all, right? If you are having any design where you want to show something like which is related to success or like a creative or like excitement, right? So here you can use this color. If I'm talking about the pink color, then it simply means that sensitive, caring, emotional, love or sexuality. That simply means like that's the reason most of the like if you are talking about the girls product, then most of the girls product are in pink color. Why? Just because of these things, because that is sensitive, right? Girls are sensitive and this color simply means sensitive, right? It shows the expression of sensitive careness, emotional love, right? These are the things which it shares, right? And you know about girls right? Okay, so let's talk about the purple. Purple color simply means royal, power, arrogant, luxury and wisdom, right? So this is what purple color shares. And we are also having the purple color in our portfolio. Let me show you guys. Okay, yeah, so this is how we have used the color in our own portfolio, purple, and we have make it like we have like focused on the brand consistency and all, right? So that's the reason we have using the uh, purple color in the entire page, and it looks really elegant, right? According to me, just share your views in the comment section so that I can also know that yeah, how you feel about after watching this feed, like, right? So this is exactly my portfolio where I'm having most of my works and not recent works, because अभी मैंने इसको update नहीं करा है. I just need to update it as well, right? So yeah, so this was about the purple color, and let's talk about the white color. White color is something which shows that it's pure, innocent, luxury, security and peaceful. Exactly, most of the time we are using white color, right? Where we don't need to like show the things messy, we just need to show the things pure, right? It should be luxury in terms of like if we combine two things like colors and typography, then this is something which actual looks like a luxury, I can say, right? And security and peaceful as well. So these are the colors expression of white. And if I'm talking about the black, then black simply means it shows few expressions like it should be bold, power, mystery, elegance and stability. So these are the colors, right? These are the color expressions of the things which I have shared with you guys, and I hope that you learned something new today. And what are you waiting for? Just like think about all of these things, right? Understand these things and let me know if you are having any doubt for now. Okay, and yeah, one more thing you can do, this is basically a task. I would suggest you, if you're a designer, then what you can do, you just need to create a graphic, right, social media post regarding this particular thing, right, where you are using the concepts, right? Concepts in the sense like you are just you are creating a image, okay, where you have taken care of color psychology, right? And according to that you are going to place the like CTA, right? Any other thing, that thing, whatever it is, right? It's your choice. Just make a graphic on it and post it on Instagram and tag your designer, right? So that I can also review it, and yeah, I would love to watch you guys winning, right? So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this entire video, and I hope today you learned something amazing, something interesting and something which can help you in your journey, right? So yeah, thank you so much for watching the entire video. We'll see you in the next video, and next video we are going to talk about the typography, so don't miss that video as well, because that is something which will help you to make your which will basically give you the understanding of fonts, right? Like what type of font, what time, like what time you use, right? Like आपको कब कौन सा font use करना चाहिए and all. So this is something which is going to we are going to cover in the next video. So till then, wait for that. Thank you.